Santa baby, hurry down my chimney tonight. All right, hurry down my chimney tonight. Yeah, yeah. Are you ready? Rock your hips like Santa. Oh yeah. Hey, it's your girl Wendy Ida. You waiting for me? Santa's already in motion. All right now, I'm kicking it with my favorite guy right now. Ain't he sexy? Well, I have been getting prepared for the holidays and I've been so excited. I wanted to share how I get in the mood with you. I also want to give you, yes, you, some tips on how you can do it too. I'm going to give you 5 sizzling hot tips on how you can stay in shape, but eat anything you want. Oh yeah, that's real. That's real. So stick around, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you get all of the videos. I keep it real, I keep it fun, I keep it moving. And that's what we're about to do right now. Just you, me, and sexy Santa. Woo! Come on. We're gonna start by rocking it. Yeah. Are you ready? Rock your hips like Santa. Oh yeah. Come on, rock it with me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa. You thought I was going to do it in these heels, right? Come on, kick those bad boys off. Let's get real. Inhale, exhale. We really want to do some push-ups. That's what we're going to start with. So let's line ourselves up. On a banister, on the floor, on the wall, on a desk, on a door. Wherever your level is, use it. Now let's go into tricep pushbacks. Extend. Yeah. Push it back. Use dumbbells. Whatever weight you want to get more intensity. Okay, let's lunge. Reverse. Yeah. Keep the abs tight. You got it. Now curtsy. Don't go too low if you have knee issues. If you don't, if you're advanced, go low, baby. Let's go to the other side now. Yeah. Keep it strong. Press down. How low can you go? Back to curtsy. It's kind of cute, huh? Kind of pretty. But it works your booty, baby. Yeah. Ha! Shall we go back to the top? Press. Slow, push up. Press slow, push up. Whether you're on the floor or not. Push up. You can even extend a leg. Now let's press it back. Press. Nice and slow, but resistance, baby. Keep those abs tight to support your back. Back to lunges. Woo! Let's bring the arms up now. Keep it going. Curtsy. Ha! I I like this. This is kind of cute. I feel dainty, but I feel like I'm working my booty. Other side. Now, yeah. You got it. If you can't do the hands, keep your hands on your hips. Now, curtsy. Go low, baby. How low can you go? Yeah, we can be cute, but we gotta work hard. All right, now we're getting into the good stuff. Come on, this is the way I want to start. Come on. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We're going back to push-ups though. Here we go, down, up. You can keep it here. Or raise the other leg. Make sure you balance it out now. Now, push, push. You can hop if you're advanced. If not, just step. Push it up. Come on. Press, 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 press. Now pulse it. Pulse, pulse. Come on, baby. Work those arms. Here we go. Woo! Yeah! Or step it. Come on. Just give it your all. Ha! Ha! Hey! You go for it. Back. Leave myself enough room. Other leg. Hey! Push it up. Or step. Ha. Here we go. Switch. Now, do your own thing. Get wild. Ha! I don't know what I was doing. I was doing anything and everything because I was just feeling the beat and the music. And that's what I want you to do. Just be real with it. Just the important thing is to move your body. That was radical. Oh, can you feel the blood working and moving? And the oxygen just taking over your body, doing it a good thing. So I want you to keep on moving, keep on doing this. It's working your chest, working your arms, those under triceps, and your lower body. Huge muscle. It will drum up a good sweat for you for the holidays. Yes. Talking about that, I promised you some tips. So come on in. And I'm going to give you just that. And I'm going to show you what I do. Come on, baby. Well, I can tell you that these, are tough times, but we can push through it. But let's not overdo it. We can do anything that we want to do. We just have to find the method to the madness that works for us. So I told you I eat whatever I want, when I want, and how I want. but I do have my own method to my madness. Wendy style, here are my tips. I'm going to start off with eat whatever you want. And I can tell you, this is something that I love. There's graham crackers. This is my cheat treat. And I love it with peanut butter. So baby, this is what I love. So choose your treat sheet of choice. That's tip number one, which means don't choose a whole bunch of stuff. Choose one thing. Choose the time that you want to eat it. So you're not going to eat it every single day. I choose Saturday. Friday or Saturday, I change up. But these days, I choose Saturday to have my cheat treat. That's one. Two, portion control. I chose my cheat treat. I chose the day of the week. And this is my portion control. I'm actually eating the whole pack with peanut butter on it. Yeah, baby. And that's it. I have that once a week. I'm good. I'm done. I don't need anything more. And then I have my regular meals. So three, when you do have it, make sure you eat slow. Eat slowly. Savor it. Don't mess around and gobble it up so that you don't even know what you ate, because your stomach doesn't have a chance to catch up with you. So that's a problem. That's three. Four, make sure you flush with water. I mean, continuously. You need to have at least a gallon of water, especially if you're working out. When I say flush with water, I mean make sure you get your water in. That pushes out the toxins, that helps you get ripped abs. Bodybuilders, we all do that to make sure our abs are ripped on stage. But it's for anyone to get rid of those abs. You need to really start with water. 5, my fifth rule, of course, is you have to work out. You have to do cardio. You have to do the workout. Now, here's the thing. With all of those things, this is what you have to keep in mind. You're depositing, like I said, I have portion control, right? Once a week. If I eat more, say on the holiday, right? If I eat more, well, you have to think in your head, you're depositing some carbs in your body, like you deposit in the bank, or like you grow a beach ball. Think of a beach ball. If you're growing, when you're depositing those carbs in your body, this beach ball is growing, right? So now, as you're eating that, think of how you can make that beach ball smaller. Well, the way you make it smaller is the cardio you put in. So if I had 2 packs of these, which I wouldn't, because I'd feel like a puffball. If I had 2 packs, well, I got to be thinking while I'm eating those 2 packs, how much work I have to put in. You're going to spend more sweat and more time to be able to burn the carbs and the fat off. So if you don't want to put that much time in, back off from this. Maybe eat half of this. I choose to eat this because I know how much I'm going to put in the gym. So it's all relative. You grow the beach ball by filling up with these cheat treats. And to make that beach ball go lower, you're going to spend time and sweat in the gym. It's a balancing act. Which one do you want to do? 1, choose your cheat treat. 2, use portion control. 3, eat slowly. Savor it. 4, flush with some water. A gallon is about what I do, and I make sure I get it in. And then 5, Put in the work in the gym. Make it work. Push through it. But balance it out when you're eating. So that will help you eat or not eat. Eat or not eat. This or that. Or this or that. That's how my mind works. And my body will just follow. Bam! That's it. You can do this. I know you can. I believe in you. You deserve it. So do that for yourself and be conscious of that during this holiday season. And guess what? There's no limits. You can do that all year round. So get in your workout, keep doing the work, and you won't regret it. So why don't we do a toast? I have some Perrier. You can do wine or whatever you do. Do you, boo? Just toast with me right now. Here's to health, here's to love, here's to life, and here's to you. Now, if this was of value to you, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and invite your friends. And tell me what you want to see more of or less of, and ask me a question, and I may feature it in my next video. And until next time, just remember, it doesn't matter what your age is, where you come from, or what you've been through. What matters is that you don't give up. Push through, keep driving it, stay resilient, and you will win. I promise you. And until next time, I'm Wendy Ida, and I will keep on moving, and I just want you to keep grooving with me. All right? See you soon.